The information age, also known as the computer age, digital age, or new media age, is a historical period that began in the mid-20th century, characterized by a rapid epochal shift from traditional industry established by the Industrial Revolution to an economy primarily based upon information technology. The information age is influencing technology, and technology is in turn influencing the information age. There is a feedback loop working here. Information overload creates demand for technology to solve that problem. New technologies come online that exacerbate the effects of the information age. The information age drive new technologies. New technologies drive the information age. The information age is characterized by three ways. First is more and more information being created, second is more and more channels through which information can arrive, and third is faster and faster media through which information can travel. News is information about current events. This may be provided through many different media: word of mouth, printing, postal systems, broadcasting, electronic communication, or through the testimony of observers and witnesses to events. News is sometimes called hard news to differentiate it from soft media. Hickey's Bengal Gazette was the first English-language newspaper and the first printed newspaper to be published in both the Indian subcontinent and in Asia. Radio is the technology of signaling and communicating using radio waves. Radio waves were first identified and studied by German physicist Heinrich Hertz in 1886. The first practical radio transmitters and receivers were developed around 1895 to 1896 by Italian Guglielmo Marconi, and radio began to be used commercially around 1900. Early television used a mechanical disc to scan an image. In 1922 the 16-year-old Farnsworth worked out a plan for such a system, but it wasn't until 1927 that he made the first electronic television transmission, a horizontal line. One of the fact is 99% of American homes own at least one television set, and 66% has at least three.
Never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on.
The average person now spends nearly 7 hours a day using the internet. New forms of communication were introduced. Electronic mail, or email, was a convenient way to send a message to associates or friends. There are 4.57 billion internet users as of January 2021. The first handheld cellular mobile phone was demonstrated by John F. Mitchell and Martin Cooper of Motorola in 1973, using a handset weighing 2 kilograms, 4.4 pounds. The first commercial automated cellular network, 1G, analog was launched in Japan by Nippon Telegraph and Telephone in 1979. Once it was possible to send information through a wire in the form of dots and dashes, the next step was actual voice communication. Alexander Graham Bell made the first telephone call, on March 10, 1876, when he asked his assistant Tom Watson to come to him. "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." Satellite television is a service that delivers television programming to viewers by relaying it from a communication satellite orbiting the Earth directly to the viewer's location. Signals are received via an outdoor parabolic antenna commonly referred to as a satellite dish and a low-noise block-down converter. The satellites receive the signals from the broadcast station and rebroadcast them to Earth. The viewer's dish picks up the signal from the satellite, or multiple satellites in the same part of the sky, and passes it on to the receiver in the viewer's house. Check our next video, Future of Technology. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do it for enhanced your knowledge. Like.